Hi, Joe from RDI here with another tips and tricks. It's really important to have the right tool for the job, and today we're going to talk about some cool tools that'll help you in tight spaces. Here we've simulated the install of a bottom rail on a stair. Now we get this call in customer service where someone will call and say, how the heck do you expect me to get this screw in here? I don't have enough room. Well, the right tool will help with that. Here's two things that are going to help us today. One, you don't always need all the horsepower from a standard size drill. This is one of my favorite tools, just a little 10.8 volt drill, but you can see a lot smaller in comparison. Even with my smaller drill here, it's going to be difficult to get a straight shot into that screw, and any sort of angle is going to be prone to the screw starting to spin or strip in the bit. Here's another great tool. If you don't have one of these in your toolbox, I definitely suggest you go get one. This is an angle bit driver where I can put my square, Phillips, whatever bit I need in the end here, and it makes a right angle to be able to get into tight spaces like this. This is from my toolbox. This is an older Milwaukee version, and here's a DeWalt one. You can see here with my specialty tool, I don't have a problem fitting between the riser and the bracket, and I can drive that screw straight in. Here's another example of a really tight space. From the last picket to the post, I'm lucky enough where my drill will still fit in here to drive two screws up here to hold my top rail and rail together. But you can see where my angle adapter would come in handy. Or again, just a smaller size drill. I use this drill to install all the Avalon railing on my deck. The last thing you want to deal with is a strip screw. It's just going to take more time and leave less time for mixing libations. For more tips and tricks and product info, visit us at rdirail.com.